Welcome to our video on effective learning strategies. I'm excited to take you on a journey to enhance your learning efficiency. Today, we'll dive into techniques designed to boost your ability to retain and apply knowledge. Learning strategies play a crucial role in our educational journeys. Whether you're a student striving for academic success or a lifelong learner committed to personal growth, we'll explore diverse methods that cater to different learning styles. From memory techniques to study habits, each strategy aims to equip you with the tools you need to excel. Stick with us as we delve into these powerful techniques. Your journey to becoming a more efficient learner starts here. Get ready to transform the way you learn. Welcome to our video on effective learning strategies. In this segment, we're diving into the fascinating world of memory techniques. These techniques play a pivotal role in how we retain information and recall it when needed. By using these methods, you can enhance your ability to remember and apply what you've learned. Today, we'll explore some of the most effective memory techniques you can start using right away. From association techniques to imaginative methods, these strategies will transform the way you learn. Ready to unlock the secrets of a sharper memory? Let's dive in. As we move forward, you'll see how each technique offers unique benefits to your learning journey. Welcome back. Now that we've explored the basics of memory techniques, let's dive into the powerful memory palace technique. This approach leverages spatial memory to enhance recall significantly. First, pick a familiar place, like your home or a route you take often. Imagine walking through this space, noting distinct locations along your path. Next, associate each piece of information you want to remember with a specific location in your memory palace, creating vivid mental images that connect the information to these spots. As you mentally walk through your memory palace, visualize the information at each location. This mental journey helps reinforce your memory through spatial and visual cues. Practice regularly, adding new information and reviewing existing associations. And that's the memory palace technique. Stay tuned for our next segment on chunking information, another fantastic method to break down complex material into manageable parts. Welcome to another effective learning strategy, chunking information. Chunking helps you break down complex information into smaller, more manageable pieces, making it easier to understand and remember. Imagine trying to memorize a long sequence of numbers. Instead of handling them as a large string, you group them into smaller sets, significantly enhancing recall. Chunking can be applied to various types of study content. For instance, when learning a new language, group vocabulary by themes like food, travel, and daily routines. In subjects like history, categorize events by periods or significant occurrences. This breaking down into chunks reduces cognitive overload and helps you retain information longer. Stay tuned for our next segment on a powerful tool for long-term retention, spaced repetition. Welcome to another powerful technique in our learning arsenal, spaced repetition. This method involves reviewing information at increasingly spaced intervals. By spacing out your reviews, your brain has to work a bit harder to recall the information, solidifying it in your long-term memory. Think of it as a workout for your brain. Spaced repetition not only improves retention, but also boosts your understanding of the material. Start by reviewing a concept shortly after learning it, then extend the intervals between reviews, first a day, then a few days, then a week, and so on. Apps like Anki and Quizlet can help you schedule these intervals efficiently. Incorporating spaced repetition into your study routine can make a significant difference in your learning journey. Effective study habits are essential for consistent learning progress. Developing these habits not only enhances your ability to absorb new information, but also helps in retaining it over the long term. First, setting a regular study schedule is crucial. Consistency helps your brain adapt to the learning routine, making it easier to get into the zone. Active engagement with the material is vital. Take notes, ask questions, and participate in discussions to keep your mind involved. Breaking down study sessions into manageable chunks prevents burnout and keeps your focus sharp. Incorporating breaks within your study sessions, like the Pomodoro technique, can boost productivity. A clutter-free, quiet space also plays a significant role in enhancing concentration and efficiency. Active learning is more than just listening to a lecture or reading a textbook. It involves actively engaging with the material through various activities that promote deeper understanding and retention. Discussions are a powerful tool for active learning, allowing you to explore different perspectives and clarify your understanding. Practicing problems or exercises helps reinforce knowledge and identify areas that need more attention. Teaching the material to someone else can also be incredibly effective. When you explain concepts in your own words, you solidify your understanding and uncover any gaps in your knowledge. By incorporating these active learning techniques into your study routine, you can transform passive learning into a dynamic process. The more actively you engage with the material, the better you'll retain and understand it. The Pomodoro technique is a powerful tool to enhance your focus and productivity. It involves working in short, focused intervals known as Pomodoros, typically 25 minutes long, followed by a 5-minute break. To implement this technique, set a timer for 25 minutes and choose a specific task to work on. During this interval, fully immerse yourself in the task, avoiding any distractions. Once the timer goes off, take a short 5-minute break to relax and recharge. This break helps reset your mind, making you ready for the next round. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, usually 15 to 30 minutes. Use this time to relax further or enjoy something before diving back into your work. With each Pomodoro, you'll notice an improvement in your concentration and efficiency. Effective note-taking can significantly improve your learning. First, consider the Cornell method, which involves dividing your page into sections for notes, key points, and a summary. It's great for organizing information and quickly reviewing it later. Next, try the mapping method, which connects ideas with diagrams, helping you see the relationships between concepts. Another option is the charting method, which works well for tracking information in columns and rows, making it easy to compare and contrast details. For those who like structure, the outline method is a classic, organizing information hierarchically using bullet points and sub-bullet points. Lastly, consider the sentence method, jotting down every new thought on a separate line to capture all details. Each method has its unique benefits, so choose the one that best fits your learning style. Time management is a fundamental aspect of effective learning. It helps you balance your studies with other activities, ensuring that you make the most of each day. Proper time management allows you to allocate specific times for studying, breaks, and leisure, enhancing productivity and reducing stress. It's not just about creating a schedule, but adhering to it consistently. This discipline fosters a structured approach to learning, making it more manageable and less overwhelming. Moreover, effective time management helps you prioritize tasks, ensuring that the most important and urgent ones are tackled first. By mastering time management techniques, you can avoid last-minute cramming and ensure a steady learning pace. Let's delve into key techniques to make the best use of your time. Prioritization helps you focus on the most important tasks first. Imagine your to-do list overflowing with tasks, and you're not sure where to begin. By prioritizing, you can ensure that the most critical tasks get your attention first. One popular method is the Eisenhower matrix, categorizing tasks based on their urgency and importance, ensuring that you handle pressing matters swiftly and schedule important but less urgent tasks for later. Another useful approach is the ABCDE method, where you assign each task a letter based on its importance. Understanding these methods not only makes you more organized, but also significantly enhances your productivity. As we move forward, you'll see how creating a study schedule ties all these elements together for maximum efficiency. A study schedule helps you organize your time effectively, making the most out of each study session. First, identify your priorities. What subjects or topics need your immediate focus? Next, break down your study time into manageable chunks. Allocate specific time slots to each subject, ensuring you have a balanced approach. Don't forget to schedule regular breaks to keep your mind fresh. Including short breaks every 25 to 30 minutes can significantly enhance your focus and productivity. Use tools like planners or digital calendars to track your schedule and make adjustments as needed. By following a structured study schedule, you manage your time better and ensure continuous progress in your studies. Procrastination can be a major roadblock to your learning progress. It often leads to stress and a lower quality of work. But don't worry, you're not alone, and there are strategies to overcome it. First, understand why you procrastinate. Is it due to lack of clarity, fear of failure, or boredom? Identifying the root cause can help you address it more effectively. Then, break tasks into smaller, more manageable steps and set specific, achievable goals. Use tools like timers or to-do lists to stay on track. Try the 2-minute rule. If a task can be done in 2 minutes, do it immediately. Lastly, reward yourself for completing tasks to stay motivated. Let's talk about the framework that can propel your learning to new heights, setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These guiding principles help you create clear and attainable objectives. First, make your goals specific by precisely defining what you want to accomplish. For example, instead of aiming to study more, set a goal to study chemistry for 30 minutes daily. Next, ensure your goal is measurable to track your progress. Make sure your goal is achievable, challenging yet realistic, given your current resources. Relevance is crucial. Your goals should align with your broader learning objectives. Finally, set a time-bound goal to add urgency and prioritize tasks. Regular review and reflection are essential for reinforcing your learning journey. By consistently revisiting and reflecting on the material, you cement your understanding and identify areas needing improvement. First, set aside dedicated time each week to review your notes and course materials. This habit keeps your knowledge fresh. Use active recall during review sessions. Ask yourself questions and try to recall main points without looking at your notes. Reflect on what you've learned by discussing it with peers or writing summaries in your own words. This helps you grasp the material deeply and recall it later. Finally, evaluate your study habits periodically. Identify what's working well and adjust where needed to optimize your learning process. A healthy study environment can significantly impact your learning. It's not just about what and how you study, but also where you study. To create an environment conducive to learning, start by ensuring your space is clean and organized. A clutter-free area helps reduce distractions. Lighting plays a key role, so opt for natural light whenever possible or use adequate artificial lighting if necessary. Consider the ergonomics of your study setup. Choose a comfortable chair and a desk at the right height to maintain good posture. A well-ventilated room keeps the mind alert. Personalize your space with motivational quotes or plants to make it inviting. Noise levels are essential. Experiment to find what works best for you. Set boundaries, dedicating your study space solely to learning. Technology can be a powerful tool for learning. It transforms the way we access and absorb information, making learning more engaging and effective. From interactive apps to online courses, technology opens up a world of possibilities. Consider using flashcard apps like Anki or Quizlet, which use spaced repetition to boost memory retention. For note-taking, apps like Notion and Evernote offer organized and easily searchable notes, making review sessions more productive. Online platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy provide a plethora of courses on almost any subject you can imagine. Language learning apps like Duolingo and Babbel make learning a new language engaging and interactive. The key is to find the right mix of tools that suit your learning style. Group study can be one of the most effective ways to enhance your learning experience. By collaborating with others, you're exposed to a variety of perspectives, which can deepen your understanding and retention of the material. But how can you make the most out of group study sessions? Here are a few tips. First, choose your group wisely. Ensure that your group members are as committed to studying as you are. Having a mix of strengths and skills can be beneficial, but it's crucial that everyone shares a common goal. Establish clear objectives for each session. Rotate the role of the leader to keep everyone engaged and accountable. Encourage open communication and active participation. Discuss and debate topics to gain different insights, and don't be afraid to ask questions or express confusion. Balancing study with self-care and relaxation is crucial for maintaining your overall well-being and academic success. Taking time to care for yourself is not just beneficial, but necessary. Schedule regular breaks into your study sessions. Short, frequent breaks can help you stay focused and energized. Make time for physical activity. Exercise, even if it's just a short walk, can rejuvenate your mind and body. Eat nutritious meals and stay hydrated. Proper nutrition fuels your cognitive function. Set boundaries and create a study schedule that includes time for relaxation and hobbies you enjoy. Practicing mindfulness or meditation can help reduce stress and improve concentration. Ensuring you get enough sleep is essential. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night to allow your brain to rest and recharge. As we reach the end of our journey, let's recap the key learning strategies we've explored. We've delved into memory techniques like the memory palace and chunking, which are powerful ways to enhance recall. We've also discussed study habits, time management, and the Pomodoro technique, each offering unique methods to boost productivity. Active learning and effective note-taking have shown us how to engage deeply with material, while spaced repetition ensures information sticks over time. Regular review and reflection, setting smart goals, and maintaining a healthy study environment are crucial for long-term success. We've given you the tools. Now it's up to you to use them. Embrace these strategies, keep refining your approach, and observe the positive changes in your learning journey. As we move forward, you'll see how these techniques can transform your approach to studying. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us create more valuable content for learners like you. Don't forget to ring the bell for notifications on new videos. We'd love to hear your own learning tips in the comments below. Your feedback and insights can help build a supportive learning community here. Thank you for watching and being a part of our journey to make learning more effective and enjoyable. Until next time, happy studying